Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, today we are starting with the exercise 9b. Question number 1 of this exercise is fill in the blanks. They have given on left hand side 23 plus 47% plus dash is equals to 100%. So let this dash is a variable x. So now 23% plus 47% plus dash, we have taken a variable which is x, is equals to 100%, right? Add these two because these are numbers. When you will add, you will get 70% plus x is equals to 100%. Now they are asking the value of x. X is equals to, move this 70% to the another side, it becomes 100%. After moving to the another side, this will be of subtraction, 70%. So 100% minus 70% is 30%, right? This is your answer, 30%. Next, second part is 54% is equals to 100% minus dash. Instead of dash, let's assume this is x. Okay, now move the variable to the left and constant to the right. So x will be here of plus sign, is equals to 100%. After moving to the another side, this 54 will be of minus sign. So 100 minus 54, 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 5 4. So value of x is 46%. Clear? This is your answer. So write here 46%. Next question, question number 2 is 18% of 650 boys in a school take commerce. Total boys कितने given है 650 and 18% of these boys takes commerce. How many boys take commerce? They have given in percentage and they are asking in numbers, right? So in percentage they have given 18%. So to find the number of boys who have taken commerce, just calculate it. 18% of 650. Clear? Because in the question they have given that 18% of 650 boys taken commerce. So simply calculate it. 18% means 18 out of 100, or you can write it as 18 upon 100 multiply 650. Solve it. 0 to 0 cancel out. 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So here we are getting 9 multiply 13. This is 117. Clear? So 117 boys have taken commerce. This is your answer. Next, question number 3. Certain cereal contain 12% of proteins. Protein कितना है? 12% है. Now they are asking how many grams of protein is there in 14-gram package. Okay, so in 14-gram package also there will be 12% of 14-gram protein. So calculate it. 12% means 12 out of 100. It means 12 upon 100 multiply 14 gram. When you will multiply 12 by 14, you will get 168 gram. And in denominator you have 100. When you have in denominator power of 10, then you can write that directly in the decimal form. How? Write numerator 168. Now in denominator we have 2 zeros. So put decimal before 2 digits here. right? So this is your answer, 1.68 gram. Clear? 1.68 gram protein will be there in 14 gram package. Next question number 4. There are 160 pages in a book. It means total pages are 160. So let's write it here. Total pages are 160. Then they said 15% of pages have pictures on them. Okay. 15% of what? 15% of total pages. It means 160 have pictures on them. So let's calculate how many pages have pictures on them. Calculate करते हैं. 15% means 15 out of 100. Of means multiply 160. 0 to 0 cancel out. 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10. 5 3s are 15. Multiply it. 8 3s are 24, and in denominator you just have 1, so no need to write it. Okay, so 24 pages have pictures on them. Now they are asking how many pages do not have pictures on them. अगर आपके पास टोटल पेजेस हैं 160, आपको पता है पिक्चर्स कितने पेजेस पर है 24. So by subtracting them you can find the number of pages on which we don't have any picture. Clear? So 160 minus 24. When you will subtract, you will get 136. Clear? So 136 pages do not have pictures on them. This is your answer. Now the next question is question number 5. When making a journey, I walked 12%, ran 16%, rode on a scooter 28% of the total distance, and for the remaining part I travelled by bus. How many kilometers did I travel by bus if the total distance covered was 50 kilometers? So first of all they have given total distance which is 50 kilometers. Now in the starting of this question they said distance covered by walking. वॉक करके कितना डिस्टेंस कवर्ड किया है 12%. 12% ऑफ व्हाट? 12% ऑफ टोटल डिस्टेंस. इट मीन्स 50 किलोमीटर्स. क्लियर? नाउ हाउ वी कैन राइट इट? 12% मीन्स 12 upon 100 of means multiply 50 kilometers. 0 to 0 cancel out. 5 2s are 10. 2 6s are 12. So distance covered by walking is 6 kilometers. Now next part, distance covered by running. Running से कितना distance cover किया था? 16%. So calculate it similarly. 16% of 50 kilometers. Right? Here 16% मीन्स 16% को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 16 upon 100 ऑफ मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई 50 किलोमीटर्स. 0 to 0 cancel out. 5 2s are 10. 2 8s are 16. So by running he has covered 8 kilometer distance. Now by scooter he has covered 28% of 50 kilometers. So let's calculate it. 28% means 28 upon 100 of means multiply 50 kilometers. 50 2s are 100. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. So by scooter he has covered 14 kilometers. Now he has covered 6 kilometers by walking. So total distance कितना cover किया? 6 kilometers plus by running 8 kilometers plus by scooter 14 kilometers. So total distance he has covered till now is 28 kilometers. Right? Now they are asking find the distance covered by bus. बस का पूछा है. So total distance में से if we will subtract the distance covered by walking, running and the scooter, it means the total distance of there, which is 28 kilometer, then we will get the distance covered by bus. Okay, so subtracted 50 minus 28 is 22 kilometers. So he has covered 22 kilometer distance by bus. This is your answer. Now the next question, question number 6, first part. Out of every 20 vehicles passing a certain spot, 7 are buses. मतलब 7 क्या है? Buses है out of every 20 vehicles. This is in the form of fraction. Now they are asking what percent was this? It means we need to convert this 7 upon 20 into the percent. And in the starting of the fraction chapter, I told you to convert into the percentage. If denominator is not 100, we multiply by 100 and put percent sign. Now simply calculate it. 25s are 100. So now you have 7 multiply 5%. 7 5s are 35%. This is your answer. Next, second part is out of 400 tickets sold at tennis match, total tickets they have given 400. Tickets sold to the senior citizen were 144. So write here 144. These tickets sold to the senior citizens. Next they asked what percent of the ticket was sold to the senior citizens. So senior citizens को कितने tickets मिले थे? 144 out of 400. Now they are asking in percent. So just multiply by 100 and put percent sign. Right? Zeros to zeros cancel out. 4 3s are 12. 4 6 are 24. So tickets sold to the senior citizens were 36%. But they are asking the tickets sold to the rest of the people. Okay. So total percentage we considered as 100%. Percent मतलब क्या होता है? Total percent means 100%. If out of these 100% we will subtract the percent of the senior citizen, we will find the percent of the rest. So subtracted 100 minus 36 is 64. So 64% tickets has sold to the rest. So this is your answer. So students, today we have discussed from question number 1 to question number 6 of exercise 9th B. In next class, we will start with the question number 7. Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.